Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to clear Facebook cache on Android. So if you also want to clear Facebook cache on Android, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch Open Settings application on your phone. You can see over here settings is opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for apps, tap on it. Now here you'll be able to see all the apps. Tap on the option See All Apps. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen right next to the three dots. Now type in Facebook. You can see over here Facebook will appear. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app information interface of Facebook. Here you'll be able to find several options. Find the option for storage and cache. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see two options, manage space and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. After that, the cache of your Facebook will be cleared. So that is how you clear Facebook cache on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.